Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Okay, everybody, good afternoon and welcome to one more class. All right. Well, now, today we're going to study the regular verbs. All right. The regular verbs are something very, very easy. The pronunciation is a little difficult, but I would try to make this class easy for you. All right. Well, right now I will show you. But we're gonna have a little review about yes no questions. All right. Yesterday we were practicing yes no questions, and today we're gonna continue. Remember that we will finish. We're gonna finish our modulo next Friday. Okay. We're gonna finish modulo next Friday, and that is there is where we're gonna finish. I'm going to show you right now some questions, and you will help me with the answer. Okay, very good. Just give me a
Teacher.
second. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you explain? Hello, teacher. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello. You hear? You hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mhm.
Can you explain it, teacher, again for the homework for Friday? Because yesterday I got some trouble with my signal and my phone, and I lose
I think
the explication for.
I think I don't know if somebody sent the information to the chat. Did you send the information? Well, actually, David, what you have to do is I will tell you this I mean, in general, right? Because I need to continue my class. But the presentation for for Friday is you will choose one day of last week, and you will talk about that day. For example, last Saturday, in the morning, I went to the beach with my family, and we ate breakfast at Pollo Campero. After we went to the gas station, put some gas and blah blah blah. Okay. And
Okay.
you have
All
to
right.
prepare a
I
mini
got you.
video. I told
Thank.
you a video, guys. I told you a video. Yes, right? Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, David, that's okay. You're welcome. Okay, so right now we're gonna have a little exercise here, and this is related with the auxiliary did. So, for example, pay attention to this. Did you go to the shop? Which is the answer?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. Very good. All right, because you can answer the questions. When you have questions with the auxiliary did, you can answer in two questions. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Okay, or you can answer it in long form. Yes, I went to the shop, or no, I didn't go to the shop. Okay, yes, I did. All right, what about the next one?
Yes, I did.
Did you play football?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did, or no, I didn't, right? Very good.
Yes, I did.
It can be any answer, right? What about the next one? Did you write a test yesterday? Did you listen? Did you listen how the little girl pronounced very well? All right, very good. So did you write a test yesterday?
Oh, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Well, in your personal case, which is your answer? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
No, I
No, I
didn't.
didn't.
Well, actually, it says, yes, I did. I think because of the picture. Okay, what about the next one? Did you read a book? Pay attention to the picture.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't. All right, very good. No, I didn't. What about the next one? Did he swim in the swimming pool?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did. All right, very good. Yes, he did. Well, actually, it says no, no, he didn't. This is not a swimming pool. Is it a river? What do you think? It is a river, right?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. What about the next one? Did you eat ice cream yesterday?
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't. All right, very good. No, I didn't. What about the next one? Did she dance at the party?
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't. Okay, very good. No, she didn't. Okay, no, she didn't. And what about this one? Did you make your bed yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Yes,
Yes,
I did.
I did.
Okay, yes, I did. All right, very good. Excellent, very good. Now everybody, I'm gonna show you a video today. I'm gonna focus my attention in the pronunciation of ED verbs, okay? Pay attention to this because we're gonna be practicing this a lot, this class, okay? I know it's difficult in English, but we can make a little effort, all right, to pronounce well. Let's see.
You know about regular verbs. Remember, regular verbs are the ones that end in ed. But did you know the proper pronunciation for regular verbs in the past? Let's learn about that today. There are 3 different pronunciations for ed. Pronunciation number 1, d. D. Played, t, t. Stopped, id, id. Started. The verbs ending in voiced sound like. Let's see some voiced sounds. L, l, mm. G, g, v, b, b, z, and vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Call, cold. Love, loved. Follow, followed. Remember, to the verbs ending in voiced sounds, ed sounds like d. Now, to the verbs ending
Okay, very good. Now, well, before I continue, because I will show you, I will repeat the video and I will show you another video. Okay, I will. Now, she was talking about some sounds, all right? You have to pay attention to the two different terms here. Terms that are very important. For example, she mentioned voiceless sounds, and she mentioned voiced sounds. Do you know the difference between both? Did you pay attention that she mentioned voiceless sounds and voiced sounds? No idea? Well, the voiceless sounds, everybody, are the sounds that sounds which do not produce vibration on your throat here, no vibration. And she mentioned some examples. She was like, did you pay attention? Maybe on the second time you will pay attention more, but okay, well, and the voiced sounds are sounds which produce vibration on your throat. All right? They produce vibration on your throat. So for example, if you have here, if you touch your throat and you produce the sound you will feel the vibration. And then the voiceless sound is no vibration. Can you try? Can you try? Put your hand here. Put your hand here. Put your hand here. And now produce two sounds. I'm gonna produce first. I'm gonna produce one voiceless. All right. No, this is not voiceless. No. It's, I'm gonna produce one voiceless sound. This is a voiceless sound. Okay. Now produce the voiced sound. Can you see? Can you feel the difference?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, because one vibrates and the other one doesn't. So the teacher was saying that when the sound vibrates, you will have this pronunciation. All right, you will have that pronunciation. And when the sounds don't vibrate, you are going to produce the. All right, very good. Okay, excellent. So you have voiceless sounds and voiced sounds. Okay, is it clear? And then we have sound number 3, that is this one. This one, a moment. I'm gonna do it with the text because where can I? Give me a moment, guys. Because today, where can I see the size? Sorry, guys, it's because today everything changed in. Give me a moment. Bigger. Well, so when we talk about these sounds, right? The sounds or the sound or the sound, they don't produce vibration, or the sound right? They are voiced sounds. And when we have voiced sounds like and other sounds, they are voiced sounds, okay? And the last pronunciation is id. Okay? This is when you have verbs, regular verbs ending in D, in T, or D. For example, if you have the verb want, the verb want ends in letter T. So the ED is going to be pronounced. What is going to be the pronunciation? Wanted. Okay? If you have a sound here, for example, wash, the ED is going to be washed. And here, if you have, for example, open, the ED is going to be opened. All right? You have to relate it like voiceless sound. The ED is going to be open. Voiced sound. The ED is going to be pronounced opened. Okay? Is it clear? Yes? Did you listen to
Yes,
me?
teacher.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes.
And then if you have verbs ending in T or D, for example, want, un verbo que termina en T, the ED is going to be wanted. Okay? Well, I will repeat the video so you can watch the video again. I think now you will understand. You will understand more.
You know about regular verbs. Remember, regular verbs are the ones that end in ed. But did you know the proper pronunciation for regular verbs in the past? Let's learn about that today. There are 3 different pronunciations for ed. Pronunciation number 1, d, d. Played, t, t. Stopped, id, id. Started. The verbs ending in voiced sound like d. Let's see some voiced sounds. L, l, g, g, v, v, b, b, z, z. And vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Call, cold. Love, loved. Follow, followed. Remember, to
I don't know what happens. Hello, hello. Hello,
Maybe
hello,
because
hello.
it's rain.
But in my, well, I don't know, but here it's not raining. Okay, I will play it and tell me if you see it like that.
You know about regular verbs.
Igual.
El teacher
It's
está igual.
stop right now, teacher.
Y la primera vez se vio así también.
Otra vez un
Yes.
poco más
Sí.
fluido.
Yes, teacher.
Solo un poquito más fluido. Esta vez sí se está trabando mucho.
I know, I don't know what happens.
I think because it's rain and too many places rain. Here in Santa Tecla, it's rain a lot.
Maybe for that reason. Okay, but give me a moment. Then I will show you a video from YouTube, but you will watch the video in mini groups, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
I don't know what happens. Okay, give me a moment. Because I don't know what happened. Okay, I will show you this video. Let's see, this one is a very useful video. Who can help me today to share the video? I
Me,
have
teacher.
the link. Okay.
teacher.
All right. Jorge, Jocelyn, and who else? Who else can help? I'm Betsaida, I think.
Me, teacher.
Daniela and
Yes,
Cecia.
teacher.
Cecia can help me. Well, I'm gonna make some groups and let's see. Okay. Well, Flor Daniela in group number 1. All right. In group number 2, I will have Jocelyn. In group number 3, let me see, Betsaida, and in group number 4, Jorge, okay? Jorge. Yeah, it's raining now. It's raining now in my house. I know. Okay, but this video is very nice, but I will give you some minutes because, bueno, voy a decir en el video y en español, por copyright de YouTube, no puedo entrar a los rooms donde van a estar mis estudiantes, pero lo van a estar viendo, all right? They're going to be watching the video. Okay. Did you watch the video?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
All right. Did you understand the video? Or yeah, is the video clear? Yes?
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now listen, what we're gonna do is I told you that we were going to practice today. Okay. I'm gonna give you a little exercise so you can practice the pronunciation, but first you need to get familiar which pronunciation is with which pronunciation, okay? So I'm gonna give you this exercise first. I'm gonna give you a couple of exercises because we're gonna be working with this. Okay, so I'm gonna share the link, okay? Do you have the link over there? Can you open the link?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay, what you need to do is to classify the verbs into the correct pronunciation. Okay, this is not something easy. So try to, I don't know if you took notes or something like that, but you have to try to remember. For example, graduated. I'm pronouncing the verb, but I don't know. Where are you going to classify it? Group 1, group 2, or group 3?
Group 2.
Group 2, why? Why group 2?
Group 3.
Okay, pay attention. The verb is graduate. The pronunciation is not graduate. The pronunciation is graduate. It's like if you finish in T. So if a verb finishes in T or D, which is going to be the pronunciation?
Number 1.
Okay, guys, it's not guessing. It's not guessing. Try to remember the rules because there are specific rules for all the verbs. So you say graduate in the base form, in the present form. So the verb is like if the verb ends in letter T. So which is going to be the ED?
Graduated.
Okay,
Graduated.
Cecia, very good. So which is the correct pronunciation? Number 3. All right, I need everybody to be
Graduated.
sure. I need everybody to be sure. Not only 1 or 2, because if only 1 or 2 are sure and the rest are not sure, we have a problem. Okay? So, I'm going to give you this exercise. All right, try to look at the last or at the final sound. Pay attention. This is travel. Visualize the verb first in present. Then look at the verb in past and try to guess the pronunciation. Okay? So need. This is a verb. This is a verb which ends in D. So which is going to be the pronunciation? Group number 1, group number 2, or group number 3? Remember
Number
that.
3.
And what is going to be the pronunciation?
Needed.
Needed, very good, pero quiero que así como contestan, que lo vayan razonando, ¿ok? Es así porque es así. Try to remember the rules, yeah, the video that you watch, or do you need to watch the video again? Yes? ¿Quieren ver el video otra vez? Ok, very good. Le voy a dar el tiempo entonces. You repeat it. Este video es super nice. It is a very nice video. Es uno de los mejores que he encontrado en YouTube. Porque hasta tiene la lengüita y los dientes. All right, so that's something very important. Okay, I will repeat then. So Jocelyn, Jorge, Betsaida, and Daniela, get ready with the video one more time. Okay. I'm having problems with my internet. Brenda, do you remember your group? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
¿Dónde está Jocelyn?
Jocelyn, okay, number 2. Okay. Okay, very good, everybody. All right, now are you ready for taking the exercise? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I hope so. I hope so. Okay, because I need first to know if you understand the difference between the three pronunciations. Okay, I'm gonna send this link. I sent the link before, but I will send you the link and now I can go and check you. All right. You tell me if you can open the link, please. Yes? Okay, very good.
Yes, teacher.
Let's go. Katia, do you remember your group? I think you're having problems with the internet.
Yes. I think it was rule number 2. I don't remember.
Live in which group?
Maybe group 2 because it's lives.
Okay. Scarlett.
Group 2, cold.
Oh. Okay. This one?
Needed. Group 3.
Here?
No, group 3, number 3. Yes.
Ah, okay. Invitated.
I think it's group number 2.
Group number 2.
I think it's group number 3.
If you say it is group number 3, you have to say why, Cecia, okay?
Okay. I think the pronunciation is invited.
Okay. This one? Graduated. I
It
think
is
it's group.
graduated. Or what? I don't.
Group number 2. Graduated.
Group number 2. Okay. Decided.
Group number 3.
Okay. Listening.
Group number 2.
Two. This one?
Group number 1.
Rented. It's a pronunciation.
Group number 3. Wanted.
Wanted. Okay. help, help it, help it.
Group number 2.
Group
Help.
number 2.
I think it's group number 1.
With T.
Yes, helped.
Okay. This one.
I think it's missed with D. Group number 2.
Group number 2.
I think it's group number 1.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. The S.
Group number 1.
Group
Walk.
number 1. Left.
Group number 2.
Number 2. Like it.
Group number 1.
Okay. Dance it. Dance it.
Dance.
Group number 1. Danced.
Dance.
Okay. This one.
Rent.
In what group?
Rent. Rent.
This one.
Rented. Rented. Creo que es con ID.
This.
Group number 2.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Travel. Travel.
Group number 2.
Okay. Palette.
Do you need more time? Did you finish?
More
Sure need
teacher.
time.
No.
Okay, all
Sorry,
right.
teacher.
Well, I was with Cecia's group and they were like slowly but trying to guess the pronunciation and everything. Okay. The same minutes? Yes?
Yes, teacher. Plain, plain, plain,
Number
plain.
3. Okay, the next.
Plain,
Group
plain.
3. Plain.
Is group
Tiene
number
tiempo.
2.
Tiene
Oh, no.
tiempo.
Oh my God.
Y esa va buena, ok.
No sacamos ni
Oh
una
my
buena.
God.
It's because you okay, try again.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Leave the group number 2.
Ya no iba a poder.
Excuse me, what happened?
Teacher,
¿Qué pasó? What happened?
he took us out the
Yeah,
exercise.
the thing is that it has time. Tienen que hacerlo dentro del tiempo establecido.
Ay, ya.
And do you remember the answers? No.
No.
Ay, no. Okay, try to do it. Traten de
we-
hacerlo otra vez y tómenle captura, ¿ok?
Okay, teacher, we were almost done.
Ay, no. Ay, but this has time. Ay,
Ay,
no. But don't worry, you learn more.
leave. And for me, group number 2.
Yes, number 2.
Okay. Needed. Needed. And for me, group number 3.
Yes, group 3. Group number 3, little.
Okay, then. Kiss. Kiss. And for me is group number 1.
Yes.
Missed.
Group number 1.
Hija.
Invited.
Invited. Group number 3.
Okay.
Invited.
Collected. Group number 3, I think.
Yes.
Number 1.
Collected.
Collective.
For me, it's in group number 3.
Mm. Okay, number 3.
Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. No, yeah, because we almost go. Let me see.
Is called if group number 2.
Yes, group number 2.
Hija.
What?
Group number 1, no?
Okay, very good. Well, you didn't finish, right? The exercise have time. All right, but don't worry. Vaya, para el otro sí, espero que no tenga tiempo el ejercicio. Vamos a hacer juntos este. All right. Okay, now, watch. Which is the verb? Group 1, group 2, or group 3?
In my opinion, is group number 1.
Okay, very good. What about clean? Number 1, number 2, or number 3?
Group number 2.
Number 2.
Group number 2. All right. What about hate? Number 1, number 2. Si no les hago correcciones es que está bien. Number 1, number 2, or number 3?
Group number 1.
Number 1.
Group
Okay,
number 2.
this is group number 3 because it's hate. Termina en T. Hated. All right? Hated. All right, what about stay?
Group number 2.
Group number 2.
Yes, number 2. Number 1.
Number
2.
Number 2.
Group number 2.
Group number 2, stayed. Very good. What about the next one? Leave.
Group number 2.
Number
Number
1.
2.
Number 2.
Group number 1.
Group number,
Number 2.
Group number 2.
2.
Deme un segundo, por favor. Ay, esta gente como que no estuviera trabajando. Give me a second.
Okay, teacher.
I know. Believe me. Desde el 4 de octubre. Okay, very good. So let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Now, gracias, perdonen que me están escribiendo de coordinación. Okay, well, so live is group number 2. Lived, all right? What about enjoy?
In group
one.
number
Group
3.
number 3.
Mm,
Number 1.
mm.
Number
Number two.
Two.
Okay, bingo. All right, remember everybody, when we have, for example, why, enjoy, this is, I mean, it has vibration, so it's enjoyed. It's group number 2. All right, what about this one? What's the pronunciation?
I think group number 1.
Group number 1, all right.
number 1.
Very good. Yeah, this one is kiss. Kiss. Yes. Okay.
Wanted. Wanted.
Group number
Number 2.
Group number 3.
Wanted. Wanted.
Wanted is group 3.
Wanted.
What about dance?
Dance.
Group number 2. Group number 2.
Group number 2.
Group number 2. What about like?
Group number 1.
Number 1.
Group number 1.
1.
Liked. Liked. All right. What about number 2?
Group number 3.
Number 3.
Number
Yes. Group
Number
number
3.
Group number
Collect-
3.
Collected. Number 3.
Collective. Number 3. What about rent?
Number 1.
Number 1.
Rent. No, pay attention. Rent.
Group number
Number 2.
Room number 3, because it is rent. Verbos que terminen en T o en D es el tercer grupo, ¿ok? Rented, that is the pronunciation, rented. Okay, what about the next one? Start.
Group number 3.
Group number
Number
3.
3.
Number 3, very good. Start, started. What about bake?
Group
Number
number
1.
Number 2.
Number 1.
Group
Number
number
one.
1, because you have baked. Okay, ese es un sonido voiceless. Entonces la ED is baked. What about visit?
Number
Group
3.
number 2.
Number 3.
visited.
Number 3, visited. All right, visited. Okay, very good. Visited. Okay, very good. What about the next one? Plan.
Group number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2. All right, very good. Planned. Excellent. What about invite?
Number 3.
Number 3.
Okay, very good. Invited, very good. Okay, invited, invited. Number 3, invite. Ends in T, invite, invited. All right, what about listen?
Group number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Group number 2.
What about the first one? Wash.
Group number one.
Number one.
Number one.
Number one. Very good. Very good. What about Miss?
Group number one.
Very good. What about Cole?
Number two.
What about Play?
Number two.
Number two.
Number two. Play. What about Decide?
Number three.
Number three.
Number three.
What about Travel?
Number two.
Number two. All right. What about, okay. Fixed, helped, walked. Y voy a hacer un cambio. Miren. Danced is here and loved is here. Now, we're going to pronounce. So the pronunciation of this one. What is the pronunciation of this one? Todos estos verbos son watched, kissed, liked, baked, washed, missed, fixed, helped, walked, danced. All right, listen to that. I'm going to take a screenshot. Give me a second. All right, in the next, pay attention to the next one. Just give me a second. I'm going to send the picture. Cleaned, stayed, lived, enjoyed, loved, planned, listened, called, played, traveled. In group number three, graduated, needed, hated, wanted, collected, rented, started, visited, invited, decided. All right? Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, very good. Excellent. So, guys, I'm going to take a picture. Please, your cameras. I'm going to take the picture. Today is class number 17. All right, today is October 10. Okay, very good. Class number 17, October 10. Okay.
Llévate una cosa más porque acabo de mandar una.
Ay, no, yo no voy a ir.
No, ahí te voy a avisar.
No he visto. ¿A dónde tenemos?
Mi papi que te dio una cosa.
Okay,
Papi.
very good. Now, I'm going to take the picture. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. I'm having problems with my internet again. I will have to restart it. Okay, so give me a second, everybody. I'm gonna paste the picture. Okay, very good. Now, I'm gonna give you, le voy a dar el último ejercicio. I'm gonna give you the last exercise. This one is easy, okay? Just give me a second, please. This one is very easy. And this is gonna be the last one, okay? So try, well, pongan atención a lo que les decía. Y de tarea las voy a dejar que repitan los verbos, all right? Well, the link is over there. Check, please. You have it?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
let's go. Did you finish, guys? Did you finish?
Yes, teacher.
Today I have listened to a lot of children. I was listening to a child. I don't know if it was Daniela's child. Ay, she very
Ay,
close.
yo lo siento, no sé si se escuchaba hace rato.
No, no se preocupe, se lo cerré para que obviamente eran cosas pues
Sí,
personales.
ella está como entrando en la etapa de la adolescencia, entonces ha crecido y ha engordado un poquito y no le queda nada y ella, ay, llora y llora,
Mi
que no le
niña.
queda la ropa.
¿Cuántos años tiene?
Tiene 12.
Fíjese que mi hijo tiene 11 y ya tiene el montón de acné en la cara.
Oh,
Y 11
sí,
años y ya su voz ya le está cambiando y 11 años. O sea, los niños de ahora crecen súper rápido.
sí,
Tú no, niña, como a los 12 años todavía así.
sí, la verdad.
Sí, dígale que no se preocupe, que ya cuando tiene que desarrollar y crecer, le falta crecer. Ujú.
Sí, yo así hablo con ella.
Y es que a veces hay niños también que son malos y crueles y los molestan, les
Hacer
ponen.
bullying.
Ujú.
Ajá,
Sí, hay que enseñarle a defenderse de eso. Ajá.
sí,
Esperemos que no les hagan eso en clase, porque pobrecita.
sí.
Sí, bueno, sí, ya, yo no le he preguntado a mi hijo a ver si le dicen algo porque tiene su carita así, que hasta le he comprado un tratamiento, bueno, mi mamá le compró un tratamiento casi de $70 para ponerle y que le vaya, pero
Ay,
realmente es que está pasando la etapa, ¿verdad? Y hay niños que no les sale y hay otros niños que sí.
ujú.
Entonces, pero bueno, esperemos que no los moleste. Okay, well, do you have the screenshot? Do you have the answers? No, the screenshot? Okay, I'm gonna classify quickly because estos eran poquitos. They were, okay. So watch is number 1, number 2, number 3.
Number one.
Number one.
Excellent. What about studied?
Is number 2.
Number
Number
2.
two.
Okay, what about washed?
Number one.
What about cleaned?
Number 2.
Number two.
What about jumped?
Number 1.
Number one.
Listen to me also. I'm going to help you. Started,
Number three.
Number 3.
liked,
Number one.
Number
Number
1.
1.
walked,
Number one.
Number
Number
1.
1.
bared,
Number
Number 2.
two.
kissed,
Number
Number
one.
Number 1.
Number one.
played,
Number 2.
Number 2.
cooked,
Number 1.
Number 1.
danced,
Number 1.
Number one.
worked,
Number
Number
1.
Number 1.
loved,
Number
Number
two.
Number 2.
ended,
Number
Number
3.
3.
number 3, visited,
Number 3.
Number 3.
number 3, visited, brushed,
Number 2.
Number one.
Number two.
brushed,
Number 1.
Number
Number
one.
1. Number
all
1.
right, tucked,
Number
Number
one.
1.
and punched,
Number
Number
2.
one.
punched, punched,
Number one.
Number 1.
number
Oh.
1, all right. Hey, you did a better job. Very good, excellent. All right, let's see here. Order the items in the correct category. Come on, we have them correct, doesn't matter. This is the correct. Wait, okay. For tomorrow, everybody, ahora que los tienen clasificados, me gustaría que los practicaran. And tomorrow, I'm going to ask you for, maybe somebody can send these pictures to the chat. O alguien las guarda y mañana las vamos a ocupar, okay? With the answers. All right, thank you very much, my dear students. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye,
See you
take care.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.